Hello everyone, this is Designer Logic. Welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be creating this look. This is called image and text masking. So it's gonna have a lot of like layer mask included. So let's begin the process. So let me go to my actual workplace. So this is I just have two layers. So this is the photo that we're going to start working with first. So once you have this photo, you will need to go to your black and white. So first turn your image into black and white simply. And you're going to want to click this button because it's going to clip to your layer below. And then what we're going to do is open this layer and I'm going to write some text. Let's write Chicago. Probably won't see it because of the color. Okay, so my layer is below. Whoops. What is Chicago? Chicago. All right, perfect. So I have this all ready to go. Just kind of want AGO on the back. Okay, so we can change the color now. I'm gonna try to match the color from my background. So I think I like this. Kind of got, yeah. So it matches the theme overall. A bit light. Okay, I think I like this. Kind of want to go a little darker. Okay, maybe I like this. All right. So we can center this like this. Okay. All right. So once we have this, what I'm going to do is start my masking. So go to your background layer, which is the blue one, and create a layer mask. Make sure you have black color selected and then go to your brush and start masking. So I'm just gonna simply do once overall and then I'm gonna see if I need any more further so the layer behind can show up. Alright, so once we have this, now we're going to do the same thing, apply a layer mask on my text. So go to your text layer and do the same thing. Go to this layer mask tab and start masking. You can go even darker here, just so you can see a lot more. Okay, I think I like this. Okay, once you have this, now I am going to just create a simple box. Leave a little bit of space underneath. Simply just gonna, let's see, whoops, go a little bit lighter. I think I like this. Yep, so a bit of lighter weight. And now let's type travel. I'm gonna change my color to white and I am going to make it light. Yep. Okay. All right. Command T to adjust the sizing. Okay. I'm just gonna center it out a little bit more. Okay, distance it out a little bit. Right, something like this. So I think I want to overlap this a little bit more and then make adjust my box size. So I feel like there's a lot of blue going on still, so I'm gonna go to my background layer on the layer mask and I'm going to reveal the background a little bit more. So I'm gonna select a black color and just simply reveal it a little bit more so it's easier to see through. Okay, I think I like this. I mean, my alignment is now 100% perfect, but you can always adjust to however open or wide or narrow you want. So this is the final look that we created. It just takes a little bit of masking on the text and the background image. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like how you guys sent me the double exposure artwork. Like, some people created their own and then sent me on Instagram. I loved it. Hope you guys can create this too, and DM me on Design Logic, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.